Friends, today we are going to learn about the short history of English drama. So, in this history, we'll see how the genre drama develops step by step. So, origin of drama. At first, let's see what is drama. Drama is a composition in a verse or a prose to be acted on the stage in which a story is related by means of dialogue and action in is represented with accompanying gesture, costume and scenery as in real life. ड्रामा म्हणजे काय तर तो एक कंपोजिशन आहे की जो वर्समध्ये असेल किंवा प्रोजमध्ये असेल आणि तो स्टेजवरती ॲक्ट केलेला आहे की जो ॲक्ट केला जातो आणि ज्याच्यामध्ये डायलॉग ॲक्शन्स असतात आणि गेस्चर्स असतात, कॉस्च्यूम आहे, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची सिनरी आहे. सो धिस इज द डेफिनेशन बाय शॉर्टर ऑक्सफर्ड डिक्शनरी. अगेन there is another definition by M.H. Abrams. Drama is a composition designed for performance in the theater in which actors takes the role of character, perform the indicated action and utter the written dialogue. So these two definitions clearly explain what is drama. Now the element of the dramas. Element of drama. In the element of drama there are certain things like plot, setting, character, dialogue, theme and scenery. So these are the elements of drama. Plot, the event in the play. प्लॉट मीन्स त्या ड्रामामधील जे इव्हेंट्स आहेत ते प्लॉटमध्ये येत आहेत. सेटिंग, द टाईम अँड प्लेस ऑफ अ लिटररी वर्क, ते त्या ड्रामाचा असणारा टाईम, प्लेस. कॅरेक्टर्स, पीपल ऑर क्रिएचर्स इन द प्ले. डायलॉग, कन्व्हर्सेशन इन अ प्ले. थीम, द सेंट्रल थॉट ऑफ अ प्ले, द आयडिया or idea with which a play deals. And the scenery, the various elements that are used to create a particular visual setting for a play. So plot, characterization, dialogue, setting, stage direction, conflict and theme, these are the elements of the drama. So after the elements we can see the four closely related areas of focus are. म्हणजे ड्रामा लिहित असताना, ड्रामा सादर करत असताना कोणत्या गोष्टीवरती फोकस केला जातो. these elements are the focus of the scene, the focus of the audience, the focus of the character and the focus of the actor. So these four areas, that is scene, audience, character and actor, are taken into consideration while writing drama and performing drama. So types of drama. The first and most famous type of drama is a tragedy, and the most tragic elements are added in the tragedy, and the second most famous is a comedy. In comedy there are comic character, comic scenes and comic atmosphere. So again the second type, comedy, is divided into certain types, that is romantic comedy, sentimental comedy, classical comedy, comedy of humor, comedy of manners, And the last type of drama is tragic comedy. So mostly dramas are written in these three types, that is tragedy, comedy and tragic comedy. Now see the introduction to English theatre. If you see the picture clearly, you can see the structure of English theatre here. So introduction of English theatre. So drama has its origin in a folk theatre. म्हणजे पूर्वीच्या काळी लोक कलाकार होते, लोक कथा सादर करत होते, त्या फोक थिएटरमधून ड्रामाचा ओरिजिन झाला आहे. रोमन्स वेर इस्टॅब्लिश व्हास्ट ॲम्पी थिएटर फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्ले इन इंग्लंड. इंग्लंडमध्ये रोमन्स लोकांनी मोठमोठे ॲम्पी थिएटर्स उभे केले प्ले परफॉर्म करण्यासाठी. बिटवीन द 13th and 14th century ड्रामा स्टार्टेड हॅविंग द थीम स्प्रेड सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम रिलिजन. म्हणजे सुरुवातीचे जे ड्रामा होते त्याचा जो थीम आहे तो रिलिजन असा आहे आणि त्या रिलिजनमध्ये त्यांनी रिलिजनपासून वेगळा तो 13व्या-14व्या शतकामध्ये करण्यात आलेला आहे. द मोस्ट इन्फ्लुएन्शियल पीरियड ऑफ द ड्रामा इज एलिझाबेथन अँड रेस्टोरेशन theatre. This period is in the region of Elizabethan, Queen Elizabethan. So secular morality plays have a direct link with Elizabethan plays. The plays had nothing to do with religion. And the third, there were there were examples of comedy and tragedy. So these are the characteristics of Elizabethan and the Restoration theatre. And the most famous writer of that time is Thomas Kyd. So Thomas Kyd, Christopher Marlowe and the most famous William Shakespeare are the prime dramatists of the area. So Thomas Kyd, then Christopher Marlowe and William Shakespeare are the prominent dramatists of the Elizabethan period. With the civil wars, no theatre existed between 1642 to 1660. Charles II came back with the Restoration 1660 and theater reopened. चार्ल्स सेकंड हा परत त्याचं राज्य आल्यानंतर 1660मध्ये त्याने थिएटरसाठी चांगल्या प्रकारचं ॲटमॉस्फिअर क्रिएट केलं. कॉमेडी इन अर्ली 18th century डिक्लाइंड इन टू अ सेंटिमेंटलिझम अँड जॉर्ज इथर्स ऑफ कॉमेडी ऑफ मॅनर्स. जॉर्ज इथरच्या कॉमेडी ऑफ मॅनर्स हे त्या काळी फेमस होत्या. देन ऑलिव्हर गोल्डस्मिथ अँड रिचर्ड शेरिडन. सो नेक्स्ट टू एलिझाबेथन is the modern theatre. If we see the picture clearly, you can see the structure of the modern theatre. So modern theatre with its picture frame stage, actress taking female parts. So these are the some characteristics of the modern theatre. And movable scenery, artificial light, influence of France in theatre, audience and themes. So modern theatre developed by these characteristics, and Ibsen, great Norwegian dramatist, dominates the modern drama. म्हणजे मॉडर्न ड्रामा पाहत असताना इब्सेन याचं नाव घेतल्याशिवाय मॉडर्न ड्रामा कंप्लीट होऊ शकत नाही. अँड हिज डॉल्स हाऊस, गोस्ट अँड एनिमी ऑफ द पीपल, these are the famous dramas. Next to Ibsen was George Bernard Shaw and Oscar Wilde. Lady Gregory, and Y.B. Yeats. So T.S. Eliot, John Osborne, Kingsley, Anthony Chekhov, Arthur Miller, and Samuel Beckett. These are the prominent among the modern theatre. So, at last, the Indian theatre. Indian theatre starts with the Sanskrit drama Mahabhasya by Patanjali. So, great Rishi Patanjali wrote the Mahabhasya, and drama start with that Mahabhasya, and then Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni. So, in this way, it is a short history of English drama. Thank you very much.